Let's paint this beautiful sky in sunset. So without any further delay, let's start the video. I'm going to make this painting in acrylic paints. Here I'm preparing my color shades for the sunset theme. Filbert brush I'll be using for making the sky. First I'm prepping my canvas sheet with water so that my acrylic paints blend very easily and smoothly. Now I'm mixing the colors to make the perfect shades for my sunset theme. First I'm mixing blue with pink to make it a purple shade. Then I'm going to mix pink with white to make it the light pink shade, and orange and yellow I'll be using as it is. Here I'm using a little amount of blue and I will mix it with the purple I just made. This will give me another beautiful shade for my sunset sky. Starting off with this purple shade I just made, I will apply it on the top of my sky. I will apply all the colors for the sky and will blend them. You may now enjoy the process of sky making. To make the sky more realistic, I thought to apply the lighter shade of purple on the top of the sky. So here I have mixed some white color in it, and now I am blending it with the other colors as well. Oops, my light has gone and my studio light has turned off. So sorry for the inconvenience. I'm using my other phone's mobile light to make it a studio light, but my light will come soon as I cannot leave my painting because it's acrylic paint and it will dry very quickly and my paintings might get ruined. So I kept on blending. So here my light has come. My sky is almost ready. Now I'm going to paint my clouds on it. Since the sky is in the sunset theme, so I'm going to paint the clouds in purple shade. Later on I'll be adding other shades in them as well. So keep watching. I'm using my small Filbert brush for the clouds. So my painting is ready. I hope you like this video. If yes, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Do watch my other painting videos as well on my YouTube channel. Subscribe to my channel for more such videos. I will meet you in another video of mine. So till then, Allah Hafiz.